What's up, tubers? Welcome back to the channel. About to start on my favorite part, where the little parts get the little brushes. This is the end installment for my group build. Not sure which one. I don't know what the thumbnail was. This is the segment in a build for me where I like to let it set, let it harden and cure, and in that time I'll kind of look at it and get an idea for what I'm going to do with it, what's going to need to get taped, details, etc. I mean, yeah, sure, I could just put it together the way it is now and it would be a cool kit, but I like to do a little bit extra wherever I can. And one, well, I won't say easy, but one part that I found is nice is to do two-tone on the interior if you can. So I'm going to do some taping. Got some taping in there to put another color. I mean, that'll be simple. And then, I'll look at like the dash or what. I'll get an idea for what colors are going to look good in there. And then I'll kind of look at what looks good or what doesn't, and maybe needs to be redone in a different color, and get an idea for any further. I was looking at the decals. I'll take one of these and cut it, use the speakers on the top and the amp on the bottom, to make a little box out of something. Kind of thinking maybe out of some of that diamond plate stuff. I don't know. I'm looking at decals to see what's going to look good. I kind of wish I had more of this stuff, this pinstriping, I guess you'd call it, or even this. That's pretty neat. This is off the NBC Monte Carlo, actually. That's no wonder some of it lined up perfectly. Well, I wouldn't say perfectly, but I was just kind of looking at some of my other decals to see what will fit and what looks good that might work to chop it. And, the engine stuff, this will need to dry for until after the next lunar eclipse. This Rust-Oleum orange stuff for some reason takes forever to dry.
One eternity later.
It's still a little bit tacky now. I sprayed this yesterday, day before, yesterday. And that's about it. I'm gonna move forward with taking pictures of all this, because this is another segment that it takes a little bit of time. Like if I'm gonna actually video this, it just turns into a high-speed video of me fiddling with the parts. So I'll just take some photographs as I do, moving along, and show different phases, like the taping and what other colors and designs and stuff I might put into that, etc. So we're gonna see where this goes from there. From here, where it goes, whatever.